What if your keyboard could make typing a satisfying and enjoyable experience rather than just a chore? The NuFi mechanical keyboard promises precision, comfort, and style. But does it deliver on all fronts? This compact mechanical keyboard combines tactile feedback with a sleek design, offering a satisfying typing experience for gamers, writers, and professionals. It features customizable RGB lighting for personalizing your setup, and supports both Bluetooth and wired connections, making it versatile for various devices. While its smaller size saves desk space, it may take time for users to adjust, especially if you're used to a full-sized keyboard. The lack of dedicated media keys could also be a drawback for multitaskers. However, the solid build quality and responsive keys make it a standout choice for those looking to enhance their typing or gaming sessions. Watch the full video for more interesting gadgets.